Hi, we are going to talk about words with four sounds. Words with four sounds, sometimes called blends. Let's take a look. Let's look at the pictures. What do you see? Two hands. Clap, clap. Repeat. Clap. Flag. These are flags. Do you see the USA flag? Right here. You see a flag from your home country? Flag. Repeat. Flag. Flag. Four sounds. Flag. This is a plug. 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 Repeat. Plug. Oh, this man slipped. It says wet floor. The floor was wet and he slipped. The word is slip. Repeat. Slip. Slip. And this is a faucet. The water is coming out. This is a drip. Drip. Ah, here is a map. A map of the world. Many countries. What country are you from? From. Repeat. From. I am from the United States. Stop. You say stop. Swim. He is in a pool going for a swim. Can you swim? I like to swim. Okay? Let's read and repeat together. Clap. Flag. Plug. Slip. Drip. From. Stop. Swim. You can practice these words in your ABC English Picture Dictionary book on page 13. Page 13. I don't know how you can see that. Page 13, right at the top. Words with blends. And they're all here. You can practice reading and writing. So you say the word, say the letters, clap. C-L-A-P, clap. And then remember, take your notebook your notebook and write C-L-A-P, clap. Okay. Good way to practice. Okay, look for another video. I will see you. Bye.